back, and guys, we have gotten luck. We have the Korean Airlines Boeing 777-200 extended range rolling right now on runway 05. This is KL flight 074 heavy, Korean Airlines flight 074, Boeing 777-200 extended range to Seoul-Incheon. Here we go. $80 knots. He got instructed to stop climb at 3,000 feet V1. Rotate. Let's listen to these Pratt and Whitney 4000s. Korean Airlines flight 074 heavy, Boeing 777-200 extended range to Seoul-Incheon. Alright, Korean Airlines Boeing 777-200 extended range. Have a safe flight, Korean.